In today's video, we will be solving for the area of a trapezoid. Now, just so we remember, area means the entirety of what's inside our shape right here. So I'm just going to color that in yellow. And remember what a trapezoid is. Our trapezoids are a four-sided shape where only one of the sides is parallel. So if we continued, let's use a different color for this example. If we continued these two lines on the side, they would eventually hit each other, which means they are not parallel. But these two sides right here will never ever touch each other, which means that this 2 and this 4 are our bases, which is really important when we get to the formula. Alright, so our formula for solving for a trapezoid is pretty simple. We're going to have the A for area, and then it's going to be one base, so we'll label that A, plus the other base, we'll call that B, over 2 times height. Now to make that more clear, we're going to have this 2 be A, and this 2 be B. And if it makes it easier for you to see, we can go ahead and call that C, call that D, and call this E. That way all of your numbers have a letter or a variable assigned to them. Now, what's really important is for this height, it's not these two sides. These two sides are just the sides. These are bases. And right here, this line right here, is going to be our height. It means how tall this portion of our trapezoid right here is. So let's go ahead and plug our numbers in. We'll go ahead and write area equals, so our A, do we see what that is? Our A is this 2 up here. So we'll do 2 plus B is our 4 right here, divided by 2 times, oh my goodness, I forgot to write, I wrote the letter, I need to write the number, 2 plus 4. Sorry about that. And then our height, remember we just talked about it, is this 1.5 right here. You can't forget about that guy. So 1.5. Now we solve. And remember, we have to follow steps. So 2 plus 4, let's do this in a new color. Let's do it in yellow. 2 plus 4 is 6, divided by 2 times 1.5. Is that showing up? Alright, we're going to do that in a different color since that's not showing up. So we have 6 divided by 2 times 1.5. Now we can go ahead and do 6 divided by 2 is 3. If we know our math facts, times 1.5. Now, 3 times 1.5 will give us 4.5. So, we can go ahead and put in our A's. I just went ahead and did the equal sign since it's A all the way down. So our answer is 4.5. Now I think I measured this in inches. When you get your own problems, they will be labeled with what kind of measurement. And so when you have your answer, you go ahead and put your label. That's most important. And then you put squared, because squared helps us know that this number stands for area. And now you've just solved a trapezoid.